What's up, y'all? It's 9SI. Today's video, TreadAuto was kind enough to send me a free set of Michelin all-weather floor mats for my 2025 Honda Civic Sport. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, install, and review of them today. So let's see what's in the box. Let's get into it. All right, so these came to me rather quickly. They arrived to me within like just a few days, I think, maybe 2 days. So very quick shipping on these. They seem to be packaged very well. So the best way to open this. Like this. So it comes in this dust bag. Little Michelin card. Cool deal. And we have the floor mats themselves. Very nice, some clean packaging. So upon opening the box, we get a very nice carrying bag, which all of the mats came in. A nice little card too from Michelin. And within the little card here, don't think it's gonna be much, but let's just go ahead and take a look for y'all. What's inside here is just a normal install guide, instructions, and of course the set of the 2 rear mats and the 2 front mats for the driver's side and the passenger side. Packaging was very nice, came very quick. Upon taking a closer look here, you can really start to see the quality of these Michelin all-weather floor mats. You can see the liquid diversion channels here, which helps channel the liquid safely. The back, we also have the anti-slip studs, which prevents your mat from sliding around. It'll help it stay in one place. There's also 360 raised walls all around as well to help prevent with spills, water, mud, things of that nature. Once again, these are all-weather mats, so these are guaranteed to protect against mud, dirt, snow, sleet, rain, all of the above. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Go for the driver's side floor mat. As you can see, here it is. Now this one's a little different. The driver's side floor mat has 2 locks here, as you see, so you have to twist these sideways like this. And once you twist them sideways, you should be able to just pull up like so and pull this out. As you can see here, we have the Michelin all-weather. Let's go ahead and throw this in. After a bit of messing with it, I had to, get this locked in here, but it does have the cutouts here in the Michelin floor mats for the 2 locks here for the driver's side. There you go. Once again, Michelin all-weather floor mats installed on my Honda Civic. I will say they look great. They fit really seamless, as you can see, really clean fit all the way around. Great replacement for the factory floor mats, which just get way too dirty, way too quick. Super easy to install, toolless install. All you gotta do is pull out your mats, throw these bad boys in. There's the driver's side floor mat. And to install the passenger side, it would be as easy as opening up the door, taking out the factory mat, going in a Michelin all-weather. Let's see how this fits in here. So yes, after installing it on the passenger side, it fits very snug. There's no gaps, it's pretty seamless. It looks very nice, I like the design of it. The back floor mats here, it's gonna be pretty much the same thing, except they are all one big piece, as you can see. So if we come here to the back of the car and open it up, the factory floor mats for the back are actually 2 pieces. So we have the right side and we have the left side, which is right here. So with the back door open now, I should be able to just grab this like this and plop it down. So there you go. That is the look at the back Michelin all-weather floor mats installed. As you can see, once again, it is one big rubber piece connected. Also, go ahead and make sure you move both your seats up before installing this. It'll make it a heck of a lot easier. Let's go give these bad boys some tests. Let's go test these bad boys out. One thing I actually did want to show y'all was the liquid diversion channel. So here I have a water bottle here. We're just gonna go ahead and pour some water on it. And you can see how the water beads off the layer that your feet would sit on and goes into these little drop-down drains down here. So that way your feet are not getting wet. You can see it channeling off here to the side and into the little crevices. That way it's not your feet getting wet and it is just the mats. It also makes it a lot easier to vacuum. just like that, the mat is clean again. One more test here. I have a smorgasbord of mess here, and if this were to go on the factory cloth floor mats, I would have a bad day. Let's see if the Michelin all-weathers can take on the challenge. Go ahead and get it dirty and see if we can go ahead and clean it up with just some water. There we go. And oh my goodness, if this was on my cloth floor mats, yeah, I'd be in for a long cleanup, let's just say that. Just everything, why not? Liquid diversion channels. Oh yeah, that's a mess. Here we'll add some chips. Just a little bit, sprinkle them on. And we're gonna see if this is enough to clean these floor mats here. Yep, seems to be doing a pretty good job so far. It just takes it off so easily. And wow, just like that, I think it's pretty much done. Turn this off. Wow. Wow. Look how clean after just a hose. I think that is one of the most underrated thing about these floor mats here is just how easy they are to clean. Just the quality of them, you know, just the rubber. All right, y'all, that is gonna go ahead and do it for the TreadAuto Michelin all-weather floor mats install, unboxing, and review. Some great quality floor mats. They look great in the car, function as advertised, and even better, I would say. Look great, work well. Just wanna say thank you again to TreadAuto for sending me these floor mats. I really do appreciate it. Look great in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the links for them in the description. Make sure to go down there and get yourself a pair of the floor mats. I hope y'all enjoyed. Go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.